I'd show you guys. This is the view on the way to the trail. Could be worse, man. Beautiful backcountry, foothills, Alberta. Beautiful autumn day. We're heading out to McLean Creek. We're gonna do some wheeling in the Bronco, and we're leaving a bit of a smoke screen behind us, but we're not worried about that right now. We're just going to get out, enjoy the day, and try to get some footage of the old girl taking some trails. All right, we got a giant puddle ahead. These are always a little dicey because you don't know what's in them. Let's see what we get into. Nothing. All right, well, we made it back home. Bronco did pretty good. That 302 in it, man, though, she is cooked. The blow-by is just insane. But anyhow, just gonna kind of run it till I can't anymore, I suppose. But yeah, we had some fun, played in some mud, and all in all, no complaints. Does what it's supposed to do. Helpful to give you just a rundown if you haven't seen my other video on what I've all got done to this Bronco. So first and foremost, I got it and I did a 6-inch just cheapo rough country lift. I know in a more expensive lift you do some long travel trail arms. These are fine for me for now. So 6-inch lift was done. The auto trans in it, when I got it, gave up basically right away. Wouldn't shift out a second. So I did 5-speed manual swap. Oh, of course, now it's locked up. But there you go. 5-speed swap. And then we're having issues with the EFI when I first got it. So I did a 4-barrel intake swap, put on an Edelbrock 1406, HEI style carb, set of headers, and GT 40P heads. Aside from that, it's just been other maintenance and odds and ends. And yeah, so yeah, just thought I'd give you an idea of that's what we went out to the trails with. I think it performed well. Definitely want to get this thing out a couple more times. I think unfortunately the motor is going to have to come out. I think the rings are gone in it, and when I put on those higher compression heads, it's just greatly worsened my issue. So I'm gonna try to track down a 351 to stab in there. So stay tuned on this, and thanks for watching.